Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the silent mode on your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. Now with the 16 Pro, there is an action button, and by default, if you press and hold, it will put the phone on the silent mode. And then if you press and hold again, it will turn off the silent mode. Again, pressing and holding will turn it on, and then pressing and holding will turn it off. That's going to be method number one. Method number two is pulling down the control menu right here, and then you can click on that bell icon that will put your phone in silent mode, and then you can click it again to turn it off as well. And then there's also another method from the setting itself. If you go into your settings and then go to sounds and haptics, so let's go ahead into sounds and haptics right here. Right here is a toggle to turn on and off the silent mode. So those are going to be different ways to turn on and off the silent mode on your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone on the latest iOS 18 update. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone 16 Pro and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.